Hey, this is Marshall, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify a Binance account. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to have a Binance account that you'll be able to use to trade crypto, receive payments online that are crypto related, and do a whole lot more. So without wasting time, let's get into it. I create these videos for free. I really would appreciate if you show your support just by hitting the like button. So, okay, normally you should just go to Binance.com, like you see right here on your screen, and then just come and click on the sign up button. But I'm going to invite you to use the link that's in the description of this video, because if you use that link, as you can see here, you can claim and get 100 USD trading fee credit. What that means is that whenever you are trading, each time there will be some trading fees, but then you can get $100 off of the fees that you'll be using for trading. So you just simply create your account, deposit more than $50 within 14 days of your registration, and then you're going to receive that 100 US dollar rebate. So you're just going to come and click on get started. Then it will bring you here where it's going to ask you for your email address or your phone code. Now, something also that you can also note is that you can do this process on your computer or you can do it on your mobile phone. So I'm just going to come here and put an email that I want to use with my Binance account, or you can simply come and click here where it says continue with Google so that it actually signs up with your Google account. Then you're going to click on next. Then as you can see here, it's asking me to verify my email. So I just need to go to my email and look for the code that it just sent to me, come back to Binance and paste it. And then it's going to ask me to create a password. Make sure that you use a password that you're going to remember easily, or maybe you just need to save it somewhere else. And then you click on next. Then as you can see here, it's saying welcome aboard. And then I click on next. Then it's going to show me the screen, claim your 100 USD trading fee credit. I can click on next and then claim the credit. But for now, the thing that we need to do next is that we need to come up here where there is this picture right here of a human being, and then come and click here where it says unverified. You want to click on that and verify the account. I'm going to bring you to this page right here, and then you click on this button which says get verified. And then it asks you what's your current location. As you can see, I'm in South Africa. I click on continue, and then it's going to ask you for some personal information. It's going to also ask you to submit your government issued ID, and then they'll do a liveness check, meaning that they'll actually check that your face matches with the ID that you've submitted. And then as you can see here, the process will last about 7 minutes. Now, because I've already done this process before and I can't use the same details again, I'm just going to show you another clip of someone else who recently went through the same process. Then next, you're going to see this pop-up, which is going to appear here, where they're actually inviting you to continue the verification process using your phone. So what you do is that you simply remove your phone, and then you open the camera and point it at this QR code. Then you'll see a link that pops up there on your camera. You can click it. It will take you to the Binance app, and then you'll be able to download it to your phone. Or the other option is that you can just continue here, which will allow you to do this verification process on your computer. But then according to Binance information that they give out, the process actually works faster if you do it on your phone. So it's up to you to choose whether you want to use the phone or you want to use your computer. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how it looks like on the phone. And as you can see, you just need to open up the app, log in with the same email address and the password that you created. And then this option will pop up where it says you need to verify, or you need to look for it in the same section that I showed you earlier under the account section. Simply click on the button to verify, and then it's going to ask you to verify your identity. And it will ask you to select your country once again. Then you're going to click on continue. And then here you're going to have to enter your personal details, making sure that they're actually the same as on your ID documents. Then next, you need to verify your personal details. And to do that, you just simply need to click on the button there to continue. Then select the issuing country of your ID or passport. That's going to be at the top. And then next, you come and you select whether it's going to be an ID or a passport. Now, once you choose your ID, you need to take a picture of it, and then you're going to submit it. As you can see here, it says document is readable. In other words, that's the button for you to actually submit. Then next, it'll take you through the video identification process. Now, in the old days, this was done through a video call. Someone would actually talk to you and actually verify that the documents are the same. But nowadays, they're actually using AI to do this process. But it's actually going to open up your camera, scan your face, and then compare it to the ID document. So if it's actually someone who you get on a call with, you'd need to actually show them your ID document by the side while you're showing them your face. Then after the video verification is completed, you then also need to verify your phone number. You simply put your phone number in, and then they're going to send you a code. You simply put the code in, and then you would have verified your phone. After that, Binance may ask you a couple of other questions. These are just some compliance questions so that they understand better who you are and how exactly you want to use the platform. Just simply enter whatever is relevant to you, and then you're going to click on continue. And then the next step is going to be for you to verify your proof of address. So simply enter your address details and then click on continue, and then choose the type of document that you want to provide, making sure that it has the same address that you entered, plus also making sure that your name also appears on that document. Once you've done that, you've completed the verification process, and it's just going to take a few minutes as they're actually reviewing your account. And once Binance has completed this whole process, you'll receive an email saying that your account is now verified, and then you would have completed all the steps and you can start using your Binance account fully. If you found value in this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. Make sure that you're a subscriber, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I share more content like this, showing you different ways of using different softwares and different ways of making money online.